Alright guys, Rotten Reviews here at Pinchgut Pies in the downtown Trussville area. You see we're over here. As you can see, we are number 6. Number of the beast. And this is kind of torn apart, but this looks really cool over here. Ferris, cookie dough, and a whole ton of people watching foosball. What to do? There's something over there with, it's all artsy. It's a really cool looking place. Who knew?
I know. Not
Who
me.
knew? It's a canoe. Yep.
Canoe.
Number 6. So it's a really cool ass pad in here. Cool setup. TVs, a bar front, nice tables, Coke machine in the corner. Kind of reminds me of the Chigatis. We got like a little arcade area over here. Very cool looking place. Well, you know how I do. Got to record the restrooms. They're actually pretty clean. It smells good in here. Very nice, rusticy look. The weird brick. Not as cool as the 3-year bracket, but still, it's nice and clean. Good bathroom. On the floor for the blood. Coat hangers. Whatever that is. And this dumbass is in here with me. Ugh. So they've got the mini arcade things here. This one says Mortal Kombat, but it looks like it only has paperboard on it. We got India Jam over here. Old school Galaga Pac-Man. And they got a pinball machine too, but it doesn't seem like it's working. So I don't know. Alright guys, so Rotten Reviews here from Pinchgut Pies, and the first thing we ordered was the buffalo knots, and it's a homemade ranch they have there. Looks delicious.
It smells good too.
It does smell so good. So we are going to try this out. You guys want to try one out on camera?
Okay, I'll get the one closest to me. I'm gonna try one out.
Looks nummy.
Without it, it's really good. And it's very buffalo-y.
Buffalo-y.
Yeah.
Buffalo-y. It's good?
Buffalo-y.
Try one without the sauce.
I think it's even better with the sauce.
Yeah, it's really good.
Ranch works really well
It's
with
so
it.
soft too.
And since it's the knots and it's soft bread, it still has a little bit. I mean, like I could have convinced myself this was a chicken wing.
Yeah.
But it's good. Let me try this ranch here.
It's pretty good. It's tasty.
Good bread.
Oh yeah. That ranch
Like a
is
soft,
delicious.
doughy bread with just a little bit of crisp on the outside.
Me and Brandy were commenting on how this reminds us of Mr. Getty's
Yeah.
old Tennessee pizza place from back in the day.
The mugs, the cups they give you is very much like Mr. Getty's.
But yeah, it's really good. And they gave us 6 of them, so it's a perfect split for 3 people. How perfect is that?
It is.
More to come, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so today we ordered the Uncle Plug, which is like pepperoncinis, chives, hot dogs. I think there's
Barbecue
bacon
sauce,
and
right?
barbecue sauce. We got the
Great white.
Great White, which is like an Alfredo. It looks like it's got
Chicken.
feta,
Got some
chicken, and
Onions.
Alfredo, and maybe some onions, possibly. I don't know. I didn't read the menu.
I think
We
there's
got
some garlic too.
regular pepperoni here.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what we got, and all together with the 3 pizzas, the starter, and the 3 drinks, it was about $50. So we're going to start eating and
Looks
see
so
what's
good.
up.
It does.
So we have each now gotten a piece. Well, Brim's
not
getting
me.
there. We have each gotten a piece of each pie, so we're going to try them out and then discuss them. We'll
what we think.
go in order and we'll each talk about them. So we're gonna eat one first. So I finished my piece because I'm a fat bastard, but still working on theirs. I just want to say, like off the bat, like the food has come out ridiculously fast.
Yes.
Like ridiculously fast. I personally think it was really good. It did have onions. I'm not a big fan of onions personally.
I think the chicken on it was a bit dry, but other than that, it tasted really good.
I don't always get a lot of onions on my stuff either, but it didn't. It suited the sauce very well. It
Yeah.
didn't overpower the
I
flavor
really
at
like
all.
the feta taste to it. I think
Yeah.
that's
Yes.
really, really
Really
good. So yeah, that was a great white. It's actually really good. Yum yum. Num num num. Okay, so I finished my piece of pepperoni and a couple of notes on it. The pepperoni is a little sweet for my taste. And the marinara is a little bit more oregano-y than I like it. It's still good. It's more like a decadent pepperoni. I like a more bitter sauce and a more sour, like kind of heavy pepperoni. But it's still really good, man. This the breading on these pizzas are really good.
I do taste the cheese and the sauce over the pepperonis and everything too.
Well, the pepperoni is a bit sweet, and the sauce is a bit sweet. A bit sweeter than I like it. But still good. Really good stuff.
Good
Yeah.
pepperoni pizza.
Taste the bacon.
Okay, so I finished my Uncle Buck. It is very busy pizza.
A lot going on.
It's got, you know, hot dogs and bacon and pepperoncinis, and the barbecue sauce is more like a yellow sort of honey mustard sauce.
Yeah.
Very weird, but it's good.
It is. It's not bad.
Yeah, Grim doesn't like it that much. It is very
not
different.
What you would expect a
It's not
pizza
bad.
to taste like.
Such a busy pizza, though. But yeah, the Uncle Buck, look at that.
There's a whole lot of different flavors going on there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna finish that one. Great, Mike.
The face you had on looking at that pizza.
It's very different. Like, I can't quite.
Finish it.
And that's you.
Yeah,
But yeah, the Uncle Buck, very
I
strange.
can't quite describe it.
Might not be your taste.
Yeah.
It's a very busy,
different.
busy
It's
pizza.
definitely different. It's not bad. It's just, it's different.
Yeah. So yeah, we finished our pizza. It was actually really good. It's interesting though, I'm looking at the numbers. We got a 6, and the people after us got like a 61. So I don't think they served like. I'm not mathing right now.
Yeah.
Who knows? The shadow knows. But yeah, like very cool little pizza joint. And really cool little pad out here. All these folks watching the football.
The Trussville Entertainment District.
So yeah, and eventually these are going to be new places that we get to check out as well. So yeah, definitely pro this place. Very good pizza.
Of the 3 that we tried, I think we all unanimously agree that the Great White was the best.
Agreed. Well, that's rotten reviews from Pinchgut Pizza. Is that right?
Pinchgut Pies.
Pinchgut Pies.
Yeah.
So come check them out, guys.
Pizza
Stay
Pie.
rotten.
Stay rotten.